Okay, we have all known about how you should write a letter, like maintaining the recipient, style, content of writing. Content of writing means the 5 ways of it, explaining, suggesting. So let's go with একদম আমরা এখন লিখবো কিভাবে. Let's go with some example. You are living in a university residence and you have a problem with the high levels of noise from a new campus restaurant which is open late at night. Write a letter to the governor of the university. In your letter, complain about the situation, say why this is a problem, and propose ways to reduce the noise. So same জিনিস, governor, style, complaining আছে, reasons, explanation চাচ্ছে, suggestion চাচ্ছে। যেহেতু গভর্নরকে লিখবেন, formal way of writing. Let's go for a band 9 model letter. যেমন, dear Mr. Smith, I'm writing regarding the amount of noise coming from the new canteen which has just opened near my university residence. Although I'm pleased that we have this facility, the restaurant remains open up to midnight each night, and as a result, there is a considerable talking, shouting, and the sound of motorbikes continuing until about 12:30 each night. This causes me and my neighbors in the residence a serious problem because at that time we are either trying to sleep or in some cases trying to study in our bedrooms. In both cases, the noise and commotion disturbs us, making us tired in the mornings or affecting the progress of our studies. I'm sure you will appreciate that this is a very worrying situation for us all. I would like to suggest that the campus authorities restrict the canteen's opening to 11 p.m. at the latest on weekdays, leaving it at midnight during the weekend. I propose that we also put up some signs reminding users to be considerate and to keep their noise to an absolute minimum. These are simple steps which would make us all very grateful indeed. Thank you for your attention to this important matter. Kind regards, Claudia Maggioni, 2006 words. I'm not 206 words or 206 words. দেখেন লেখার স্টাইল প্রথমে আপনার কি করলো, গ্রিটিংস দিয়ে দিল, কি পারপাসে লিখছেন সেটাও বলে দিলেন, আবার আপনার কমপ্লেইনটা কি সেটা এখানে বলে দিলেন, এক্সপ্লেনেশন দিলেন যে এই কমপ্লেনটা যে করেছেন সেটার প্রেক্ষিতে আরেকটু এলাবোরেট করে দিলেন, এক্সপ্লেইন করলেন, লাস্ট অফ অল সাজেশন। মানে আপনার প্যারাগ্রাফসে কি কি লিখতে হবে আপনাকে কিন্তু ভাবার কোনো প্রয়োজন নাই, মানে যে কি কি উল্লেখ করবেন অলরেডি কিন্তু প্রশ্নে উল্লেখ করা থাকে। নাও ইউ জাস্ট নিড টু ডেকোরেট ইট অর প্রেজেন্ট ইট। অ্যাট লাস্ট আপনার নেমটা দিয়ে দিলেন অ্যান্ড ফিনিশিং উইথ ইট, অ্যান্ড কোনো প্রকার অ্যাড্রেস নাই। Then why this is a band 9 letter? The candidate has understood that the recipient is a more senior person. She has used a greeting, dear Mr. Smith, and ending kind regards, which are appropriate and realistic for this recipient. Style, the English used is formal in style, with formal words such as regarding, remains, considerable, commotion, appreciate, restrict. There are no contractions and no informal phrases like drives me crazy, keeps me up all night. The candidate has used some classical formal phrases to make her point, especially I'm writing regarding. I'm sure you will appreciate that. May I suggest that? Thank you for your attention to this important matter. The candidate has written in a calm and professional way and has also made a positive comment. Although I am pleased that we have this facility. দেখেন মানে আপনি এগেইনস্টে লিখছেন না, কমপ্লেন করছেন বা আপনি বলছেন আপনার এই সিচুয়েশন হচ্ছে, বাট স্টিল you are keeping yourself or putting himself or herself in a higher position, সম্মান দিচ্ছেন, respect করছেন, which is a feature of formal writing in English. Content: the candidate has answered all the points in the task. She has complained about the noise, explained why it's a problem, and suggested some ways to reduce it. The three content ideas are separated into 3 paragraphs, making it clear for the examiner to see the 3 ideas at work. The candidate has invented a few details of the situation, like the motorbikes, the students trying to sleep or study. These details are realistic, relevant, and not too complicated or dramatic. In the suggesting paragraph, the candidate's suggestions are realistic, meaning they could be agreed in real life. মানে আপনার আমরা যেটাকে বলে থাকি যে rational thinking বা logically thinking করে আপনি লিখছেন বা রিয়ালিটিতে এটা বাস্তবায়ন সম্ভব. This letter is over 150 words, but not excessively. Around 200 to 220 words is the ideal length for an IELTS GT letter. ঠিক আছে? So these are all the things. Then if I'm going to with the summary of it, these are all the things. Give me